Amazing, right?
I
So
love that.
you've just got to use this copy, the script, the way that I shared, write it down, listen to this episode a few times, rewind, play, write it down, practice it in front of the mirror, practice it with your spouse, with your business partner, with your kids, whatever you can do, practice going through using the same words that I used. And if you possibly can, try using the voice inflections as well. It's important because some people they'll want to raise private capital. And I used to coach people to raise private capital because I've raised millions of dollars of private capital. And so I used to pour into people and help them to be able to do it. And they would come to me and I would tell them a script. I would say, what I want you to say is we've raised a little over $1 million and have just a couple hundred left. And that's why I'm calling you, because I want to see if the goals that you told me before, if you're still looking to achieve those. And if you are, maybe you could do 100 or 200,000 into this one so you can start making that goal. So that's the script. That's how you say it. That's the exact voice inflections, the voice tonality. And then they go and do the same thing. They see the words that I just said. And then they go, we've raised a little over $1 million and have just a couple hundred left. That's why I'm reaching out to you, is because I want you to do this. And it just sounds so freaking salesy.
Right.
And they're emphasizing the wrong parts.
Right.
You want to emphasize we've raised a little over $1 million and have just a couple hundred left. So the just is the emphasis, not the $1 million, where they would say we've raised a little over $1 million and it's like, bro, it's not coming across the way that you want it to come across. You're making someone wonder what you're hiding, what you're selling, because they're like, whatever. So we would talk about the voice inflections. And so for you, Michelle, if you want to go through that, just listen to it a couple times. And you, the listener, just listen to the voice inflections, because we need to skip past some of the parts and not emphasize them, or else it sounds too salesy. And everybody wants to buy. Your sponsor, your potential sponsor, you're about to have sponsor, your partner of the show, they literally want to sponsor you. They really actually do want to spend money with you so that they can make money. But if you give them the pitch by emphasizing the wrong parts, and they feel like they're being sold, they will not buy. Everybody wants to buy, but they don't want to be sold. I walk into the clothing store, I guarantee I want to buy a shirt, I want to buy pants, I want to buy shoes. And unfortunately, the salesperson, the customer service agent comes up to me, the car salesperson is like, how can I help you? What are you looking for today? Is there anything I can help you find? They say. And guess what I say? Oh, I'm just looking. I'm just browsing. I'm just window shopping. Do not help me. I don't want to be sold. I want to buy, but I don't want to be sold. Right. I definitely want the product, but I don't want you to push me. But if you use the right voice inflections and chill on the right parts, then you're helping to basically switch your magnets. You got a north and a south side of a magnet. And if you're too pushy and you're maybe showing the north side, well, everybody else who doesn't want to buy is showing their north side too. And so you repel from each other. All you got to do is just turn around. That's it. You are going to be able to attract people to you if you just turn around, show your south side, draw them to you. And then boom, you click so fast and so easy. You walk up and you're like, hey, I could help you with this. I want to help you with this. And then use some of that psychology, like fear of missing out, price anchoring, etc. The ones that we already shared. And then that person's inside their own head, they already want to buy, but they're being helped to buy, because it's becoming their decision and they're feeling like they have to chase you. They're feeling like you're on the south side, they're on the north side, and they're going to come right after you. And they're going to say, yes, I need to do this. Don't let me miss out on this. I need this opportunity. Don't give it to somebody else and have me lose out on the business that they could get. Right. And so you are able to actually get something. There's a ton of other ways to monetize that are in that other episode that is already in the show notes, but I will share just one other way to monetize. It's the way that I monetize.